Hey, good morning. It is but as crack of dawn in the morning here in Chicago, and we're going to leave this hellscape. We're headed to Wisconsin, road trip. We're going to Duluth, and we're going to be going to Hayward. Alright, checking in later. Alright, NPR is no longer coming in, and now it's turning into Catholic Connections or something. Oh, we found a country station. Of course, that comes in. There it is. Welcome to Wisconsin. Oh, you stopped?
No one's doing it.
Eau Claire. We're going to Famous Dave's. Cheers. It's Famous Dave's brisket. You got half chicken, fries, beans. Okay, we are kicking it off here at Angry Minnow Brewing Company. Margaritas and a wine. Oh yeah. So this is Hayward.
Actually, I know this.
Hayward, Wisconsin. Just came out of Angler's Bar and Grill. Kind of cool. We are going to the Tally Ho Supper Club. Oh. Starting at the Supper Club, look at that relish plate with pickled herring. Alright, here's an old fashioned with brandy. And this is an old fashioned with whiskey. Apparently that's what supper clubs are known for. Right on. Walleye, some drinks, some shrimp. Cheers.
Cheers.
What's up, buddy? Hi. All right, today we're going to go to the Colalilo's Covered Wagon Restaurant and Bar right here. Very cute little spot. All right. We made it, Camp Nebagamon. We're at Lake Nebagamon. We'll check out Dockside for dinner.
Get out of the way.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.